I want to do a shopping center, and that wouldn't have been okay. So that was one mistake to agree. Secondly, didn't understand or didn't realize how big and how complex that project would be, because I figured if I could do a half acre or an acre project, I could do a 12-acre project. I was very much mistaken. And the costs were tremendous, exorbitant. And also the complexity, putting all the pieces together, having tenants to lease up the space and pre-leasing, it didn't happen. And I had done a 1031 exchange. I wanted to save the money so I didn't have to pay money, I didn't have to pay taxes on the gain. And that's why I went out and used that money on a much larger project as a down payment. And I had the seller carry back. I had to give that property